So all very last minute, we are heading out because me and Ethan are going to go away for this evening and we're going to have a bit of a challenge. We are going to go, let's see. Okay, so we are now on our way. Say hi.
Hi.
We're heading down to Epsom Downs in Surrey, Epsom Racecourse. And we're gonna see if we can find somewhere to stop and sleep. And then the next big challenge is trying to see if we can get dinner delivered to a car park.
Domino's!
Yeah, we're gonna try Domino's. Not sure if it's gonna work. I don't know who can deliver to where. It might be an absolute farce. But I'll be honest, I've never got takeaway delivered to a car park. So it might be a little crazy and naive. And we might have to go drive somewhere to find an alternative. But let's see what we can do. Let's go. Okay, so we have now arrived at Epsom Racecourse. We're on the corner of the racecourse. We can see the building from here, the grandstand. Ethan's just sorting out all his bedding and stuff, which is great. I'm gonna see if I can order some food. I'm not sure it's gonna work. Do you think we'll be able to get food delivered here, Ethan?
Yeah.
Very hopeful. Okay, so Domino's ordered. I'm not confident, but I think it's going to work. Managed to get onto the Domino's website, that was all fine. Managed to put in the postcode for the car park. The website wants us to choose from a list of addresses, which was never going to happen because we're in a car park. So that doesn't work. So the best thing I could do, there's a tea room. I think it's that one or the one in the distance. So I put the tea room address and then I put in the delivery driver note Motorhome. I put the registration for the motorhome and then I put in car park. Hopefully it'll get here, but I don't know. Maybe I'll have to go and wave to them or something. Anyway, so Ethan's in the back playing.
Hi.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi, I'm playing with my Power Rangers.
So I thought it'd be good to show you where we are. Currently, we're just in the motorhome and we could be absolutely... I'm going to take the drone up and show you where we are. Okay, it's quite windy here, but not unpleasant. Hopefully you can hear me okay. So Domino's have accepted our order. I don't know if they check the address when they receive it. I have no idea. But yeah, we're parked here. Here you go. Motorhome, car park. There's someone else there. We saw another van in the distance, which you probably can't see with this lens on. So there might be more people camping tonight. Let's see. The big thing for us, can we get Domino's delivered to a car park? And I don't know the answer. Are we going to get Domino's delivered to this car park, Ethan? What do you think? Is it going to work?
I think so.
If not, we're going to be really hungry. Ethan, have we got snacks in here if we don't get any food?
I don't know.
What are we going to do if we don't get any food? What if Domino's say no?
We have snacks in here.
Okay. You sure? Alright, so we might not starve, but it is a bit touch and go. This has got to be the most exciting thing I've done in a while. I mean, there's
The food's 9 minutes away.
well, it says it's 9 minutes away, yes. So the driver from Domino's is clearly trying to deliver our order. Not here yet, so not failed, but no success yet. I don't know if they know what they've got themselves in for. This could be a fail. Ethan's darting around the motorhome trying to look for the guy or girl. They're still 8 minutes away. They're nowhere near. I don't know what you're looking for. So while we're waiting, tell me, please, in the comments, is there anything you've got delivered to your motorhome that's a bit strange? I don't know, Amazon, does that work? Have you got like, I don't know, takeaways? Have you done that before? What else is there you can get delivered to your motorhome or van? Whatever. You tell us in the comments below because we're interested. I'd love to know if this is possible. It's on its way. Let's see what happens. Okay, so good news is we're full up. I didn't film any of that. We were starving. We tucked into that. We phoned my mum and dad and we spoke to them. My mum and dad. That was exciting. And we ate our pizza. But I didn't have time to film. We were so hungry. But there, the guy got here, as you saw. He got here. He did stop outside the motorhome. Clearly was a little bit perplexed, confused, whatever. We opened the door, waved, said hi, and he delivered. And we've eaten over half of it. Saying that sounds like a lot, but I'm more concerned that we haven't eaten the rest. That was a lot of pizza. I shouldn't have ordered so much. It's okay. We can eat it tomorrow. Fine. No problem. Right, anyway, so we are now going to watch Escape to Rural France, where Dan Preston is renovating a chateau. We went to see him, as you probably saw, in a Christmas adventure to France. So check that one out if you haven't seen it already. That was quite a good time we had in France, wasn't it, Ethan? And we're going to watch Dan. We've got 2 episodes to watch with Dan, and then we're going to watch the latest Roaming Radfords video. I've had permission from Jaynie, because normally we watch it together, but Jaynie's at home and she said we're going to watch it all at the same time. We're a bit concerned because the Radfords had a bit of an altercation, it seems. So see what happens. See you in a bit.
The framing is going to be immense for that, obviously. Nothing compared to the turret.
Okay, it's all happening here. Ethan just got ready for bed, haven't you?
Yeah.
And then had a couple of boy races in a little Citroen C1 thing, tiny little car, doing donuts in the car park. Wasn't expecting that, were we? Let's see what happens next. Okay, so it's bedtime for Ethan. Not Ethan. Just shut all the blinds, shut the windows. This one's open so you can see us. Where are you? Ethan doesn't look very tired, which is a little bit of a problem. But you need to chill out, don't you?
I'm never sleepy.
No, you're never sleepy. But actually, before we go to bed, I think it would be good to tell everyone that you've just finished school. What year are you going to go back into when you go back?
2.
2.
I first I was in year 0, and then I was in year 1. Now I'm in year 2.
Right, anyway, enough of that. Time for bed. Say goodnight to everyone.
No.
Morning, everyone. That was interesting. It was okay. It wasn't bad. But it wasn't great. I mean, I think once it got to 11 o'clock it was fine. But up until then, it was just like cars driving around. The car park towards the grandstand where you're just doing donuts like continuously for about 10 minutes. 3 cars, 4 cars. Bang, 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 bang from the exhausts and all sorts of stuff. I wasn't desperate for sleep at that point, because that would have been bad. It's fine. It's cool. Right, it's time to get up now. I've just literally got dressed and sort out our rubbish from last night and start to head back home because I'm working and Ethan's on holiday now, so he's got social events and all that kind of stuff, so lucky boy. Right, time to get up. Okay, so come outside. It's just gloomy, loud cars. So we turned up last night and it was alright. It was a bit windy. As we woke up this morning, that car in the corner, I'm sure they got out a duvet last night and put it to the front of the car, so they must have slept here last night, or at least stayed here for a while keeping warm. And look at that! I've got a friend. Is that you? I'm not sure I'm going to come back here. I think if you came late, if you wanted somewhere to stay and you came sort of like at 11, 12 o'clock, you'd be fine. It was the 8 till 11. It was that time that wasn't great. Anyway, time to pack up the motorhome and head off. Let's go.
Morning.
Ethan's awake. He's wrapped himself up really well. We're going to grab some fuel on the way back, aren't we? Because currently the motorhome is very empty and a bit sad with its fuel levels. And then we're going to head home. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We really enjoy making videos, so if you enjoy watching them, it makes sense to subscribe and follow along for more content. Next week we're going to be going to somewhere slightly different, slightly strange, so definitely stay along for the journey. Anyway, we will see you very soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.